friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss the best gaming, best graphic cards in 2022. Before starting the video, I have a request. Please like, subscribe, and share my YouTube channel. So, number first, best graphic card is NVIDIA Get GeForce RTX 3080 10GB. The best graphic card for PC gaming right now. Specifications: CUDA Core 8 704, base clock 144 MHz, boost clock 1710 MHz, TF TFLO is 29.76, memory 10 GB GDDR6X, memory clock 19 GTs, memory bandwidth 760 GBs. Users to find variable gen-on generation performance makes 2080 Ti look mid-range. Ray tracing no longer a sacrifice at launch. It was one of the best deals in the PC gaming history. Users to avoid need beefy PSU in high demand. There is a better 12 GB model, though it is too expensive. RTX 3080 is the best graphics card out there today. Well, 10 GB one is at its original MSRP. You might find it going for a little more than today. And don't forget the 12 GB model that Nvidia later released, which is even more expensive still. Yet, whichever model you go for, the RTX 3080 represents a huge generational performance boost over the previous RTX 20 series. That's impressive when put up against either the RTX 2080 or 2080 Super. But when you consider that this normally $699 card can not just match but massively outperform the $1200 RTX 2080 Ti, it really hits home. Next best graphic card in 2022 is AMD Radeon RX 6800 XT. AMD's RDNA 2 architecture at its best. Specifications: RDNA core 4608, base clock 1825 MHz, boost clock 2250 MHz, TFL is 20.74, memory 16 GB GDDR6, memory clock 16 GTs, memory bandwidth 512 GBs. Reasons to buy: 4K excellence is cheaper than the RTX 3080. Reasons to avoid: moderate ray tracing performance, slower than 3080 at 4K. As a red team alternative to NVIDIA's high-end graphics card, there have been few finer than the RX 6800 XT, a highly competitive card that comes so close to its rival with a normal performance. Differential to the RTX 3080, is truly an enthusiast card worth consideration for any PC gamer with 4K in their sights. The RX 6800 XT was the first of AMD's RDNA 2 GPUs to enter the fray, and while we've had plenty of other cards since, this is one that shines brighter than most. Is truly an enthusiast card worth consideration for any PC gamer with 4K in their sights. The RX 6800 XT was the first of AMD's RDNA 2 GPUs to enter the fray, and while we've had plenty of other cards since, this is the one that shines brighter than most and makes the most sense financially. At least it does if you consider its MSRP, and with AMD's GPUs returning to reasonable price levels quicker than Nvidia's, this could actually give the red team the edge in the short term. Next graphic card, best graphic card of 2022 in the list is NVIDIA GeForce RTX 360 Ti. Specifications: CUDA Core 4864, base clock 1410 MHz, boost clock 1665 MHz, TFLOPs 16.20 memory, 8 GB GDDR6 memory clock, 14 GTs memory bands with 448 GBs. Reasons to buy finally something a little more affordable: 2080 super performance under $400, cheaper GPU than RTX 3060. Reasons to avoid: not quite good enough for 40K in all instances. 8 GB VRAM is less than AMD offers. The best value employed to date, the RTX 3060 Ti is very closely related to the RTX 3070. Both utilize the same GA104 GPU. The RTX 3060 Ti has fewer MSSMs enabled with the same 8 GB of GDDR6 memory across a 256-bit bus, while 17% less capable in core count than its pricier pricier siblings. The RTX 3060 Ti makes up for it with some judicious GPU boost frequencies that partially explains why the RTX 3060 Ti can be within 17% to just single digit of the pace of the RTX 3070, despite operating at a silicon disadvantage. Not bad for a 399 card if you can find it for that price. So next, best graphic card of 2022 is NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070. Finally, a reason for every 10 series gamer to upgrade. Specifications: UDA cores 5888 base clock, 1500 MHz boost clock, 1725 MHz TFLPs, 20.37 memory, 8 GB GDDR6 memory, 14 GT memory, bands with 448 GBs. Reasons to buy: turning topping frame rates, relatively low power. This FE card is small. Reasons to avoid: often seen priced much higher than an RTX 3060 Ti, especially in pre-built PCs. Perhaps the only high-end employer that's anything close to reasonably affordable. The RTX 3070 is also impressive for its ability to match the top string to Turing graphics card. The RTX 2080 Ti, for less than half of its price tag, sure it's not exactly a cheap graphics card, but the RTX 3070 is bringing ultra enthusiasts gaming performance down into a far more palatable price point, and it's also making high-end racing and 4K gaming relevant to a much wider sector of the audience too. So next gaming graphic card is AMD Radeon R6 6900 XT. If you have money to burn, specification: RDNA core 5120 base clock, 1825 MHz boost clock, 2250 MHz TFLOPs, 23.04 memory, 16 GB GDDR6 memory clock, 16 GTs memory bandwidth, 512 GBs. Just to buy occasional RTX 3090 performance plus but cheaper. Just to avoid can lag behind RTX 3080 at times. Mediocre ray tracing performance. The RTX 3090 may have set unchallenged at the top rungs of graphics performance at launch, but it wouldn't be long until AMD wrestled together a challenger in the RX 6900 XT or Big Navy. The RX 6900 XT hopes to knock Ampere's finest from its perch on high and send it spiraling back down to earth, and it gets kind of close to with a 4K performance, a little off the base of the RTX 3090, and all for one third of the asking price. So guys, today in this video we discussed about the 5 best graphic cards in 2022. Hope you guys like the video. Please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Take care.